Dossier Palette by Shantico Beauty. Shantico Beauty Dossier 1. That's the name of the palette. And today I'm going to create a look. There is so much going on right now. So much. I will share with you what I can for now. The rest I will tell you as I get more information. Hello everyone, welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where you will be uplifted and you will learn something today. I pray that your day is good. I pray that you had a beautiful holiday. I want to say I am always thankful when you take the time to show up here. From this new palette from my Ice Cream Beauty box, I am using the dark brown and I'm pouring it right here. Today, I just wanted to share with you that my ex-husband, my first son's dad, the first guy I married, passed away on December 18th. My son FaceTimed me and his dad couldn't talk, but I talked to him and I told him, make peace with God and to ask for forgiveness if he needs to, and make peace with his maker. He tried to talk, but I said, don't talk because your tongue is heavy, you can't talk. But just listen to what I'm telling you. I told him he was a good soul, and I tell him he was a good person. Things just didn't work out between us. We took separate paths, but that doesn't change who he was to me at the time we were married. We were married for about 5 to 6 years, I think. Yeah. We didn't really talk per se because he have since remarried. So, you don't call somebody else when they have their family life going on. But whenever I go to Canada, I always look him up and say hello. I'm taking a blue shimmer and I'm going to go above the crease, taking it up into the brow bone. I'm not using glitter glue. I'm sharing these things with you because I want you to understand life is short. I spoke to him about a little after 9 o'clock a.m. And then at 11:10, my son called and said that he passed. So there was not much time. And time is not guaranteed. Time don't wait for us. When you get an opportunity to talk to someone, laugh with someone, hug someone, spend some time with someone, do that. Because the next time, you don't know if you'll see them. I am very happy I had that opportunity to do that. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself or your dreams. Know that you are important and you belong in this universe. You are here for a reason. Make it count. Don't give up. Do not give up. Things seem tough, but don't give up. I am thankful that I have family members with me who are there to support me when things like that happen. I have friends who is also supporting me behind the scenes. I mean, I was never mad with him and he was never mad with me. We just went our separate ways years ago. So I told my son, and then in Canada, I told him I have lots of photo albums of memories of him, his dad, and I. So whenever he comes this way, he can have them so he can see all the memories. I'm gonna take this brush. It's the one with the brown, and I'm just gonna go back into the crease. It is so interesting. I was supposed to head to Canada for this Christmas because my son is like, "You're coming up this Christmas?" And I was like, there's so much going on in our country right now. I decide I don't want to go so I won't get stuck over on the other side, you know? So I didn't go. If I did go, I would have been right there in the hospital. But I was right there in the hospital by FaceTime. So that's one of the things going on. My ex-husband passed away on December 18th. And I'm there for my son, and we call each other and we talk, and he's handling it good. Thank God for that. It's so interesting. I started writing a book about my story in Canada many years ago. And every time, I'll write so much of it, and then I put it down. I just say 2026, I need to get back to finishing that book. And then my ex-husband passed away. The book will come out eventually and will explain all the little details that I am not going to discuss here. But one thing I want to say is life is short. Make the best use out of it. Today's IM was left in the comments, and it says, I become a better version of myself every day. I become a better version of myself every day. I use this blue and this brown to create today's look. This is it. My lipstick is from my ice cream box also. This shade right here. It's a red with an orange base. Until I see you and you see me, please do one thing for yourself today that will bring back a smile to your face. Do one thing today that will bring back a smile to your face. I love you dearly. Hype this video, comment so we can have a conversation, and I will see you shortly. Bye.